Remember Jarvis from Iron Man, the AI assistant that handled everything for Tony Stark? Well, AI agents are the first step toward making the red real.
Welcome.
Think about it. We were all been there. You abandoned work and forgot your anniversary. You missed a flight booking. You set demanders for the medicines, but still lost in endless phone notifications. Most of us can't afford a personal assistant or a nurse, so we just relied on a Google Calendar and hope we wouldn't forget. AI agent changed that. These aren't just chatbots. They can think, plan, act across apps, booking your trip, rescheduling your meetings, even reminding you gently to call your mom without juggling 15 notifications. Companies are already building this. OpenAI, testing AI agent that can browse the web and take actions. Adapt is training AI that can use your apps for you. Excel, Google, even Slacks. Infection AI built BI, a personal AI focused on conversation and daily support. So it's not a sci-fi anymore. Jarvis is coming, just slowly. The question is, when it arrives, will you let it run your day? You see a photo of dog, a ball, and a tree. But here is what AI says. AI breaks images into patterns, pixel, shapes, colors. It doesn't see a dog. It sees a data that says, this look 92% like a dog. That's how self-driving cars spot traffic lights, pedestrians, and stop signs in real time. While you see pictures, AI see maths. And that's why computer visions power everything from your phone camera to medical scans. AI, machine learning, deep learning. Confused, right? Let's break it down using the best example we all know, our brain. AI as the entire human brain, the dream of creating intelligence that can think, reason, and act like us. That's the big picture. Machine learning is like how we humans learn from experience. Touch fire once, you learn to once. Fail a math problem, you adjust. Machine learning works the same. It feeds the data into models, learn patterns, and improve over time. Let's talk about deep learning. Deep learning goes one step deeper. It's inspired by how neurons fire in your brain. Layers of artificial neurons process info, just like your brain turning light into vision or sound into language. These are deep learning powered things like image recognition, speech, ChatGPT. So here is the hierarchy. AI is equal to the dream of human-like intelligence. ML, the way machine learns like us practicing skills. DL, the neuroscience firing at scale, mimicking the brain network. It's not just tech, it's reflected in a code.
Every AI tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, once AI can mistakes, check important information, but replacing humans at job, how it can afford to be wrong.
Welcome to
AI doesn't know facts, it only predicts the pattern of the data. It was trained on. If the data is biased, incomplete, or noisy, point out will be true. Ask the ChatGPT politics, it might lean one thing. Ask Gemini, you will notice a different bias. Ask Grok, well, show you the data side. Same questions, three different realities. That's why these tools allegedly are not lying, are just predicting what sounds right, not what is right. Next time, with a disclaimer, AI is it's a mirror of the data it's trained. And bigger question is, who's feeding it? Everyone see ChatGPT launched in 2023. And that's when the AI revolution started. But here's the truth. We've been part of it for 10 plus years without even knowing it. Every time Netflix recommends you the next binge, that's the AI. When Gmail auto sorts your spam folder, that's the AI. When Google Maps predicts the partial route through traffic, yep, that's the AI too. See, AI isn't just chatbot or image generators. It's been quietly running your daily life, curating, filtering, operating while you thought it was just technology working smoothly. So when people say AI is the future, no, it's already your present. You don't get to choose if AI is a part of your life. It is already. Real question is, will you stay a passive user or start using the AI consumership like the 2% who create with it? Type, draw me a cat playing guitar, and boom, in 5 seconds, AI give you an image. But what happens in those 5 seconds? Step 1. The prompt goes into massive AI model. Basically a brain trained on billions of examples, text, images, videos. Step 2. The AI doesn't search Google. Instead, it predicts the pattern, pixel by pixel, word by word, based on everything it has learned. Think of it like an autocomplete, but on steroid. When you type a word in your phone, it suggests the next. They're the same process, except they're detecting the next pixel for image or the next sound wave for the music. So that image isn't pulled from the internet. It's being rebuilt from scratch. One tiny prediction at a time. Millions of time for a speed. So next time you see AI create in 5 seconds, remember, it's not magic, it's a man.